Hi, today I wanted to share with you some stretches I've been giving out quite a bit this week. I'm going to show you about 5 different stretches that are relatively the same. Some are regressed and some are progressed with people that are a little bit more advanced. But they're really focused on your hip, your lower back, your glutes to keep your hip mobility and keep you nice and mobile and flexible in your hips to prevent lower back pain. So the first stretch I want to show you is a seated piriformis stretch that people can do at work. I've shown this several times before. It's an easy one. Bring your heel onto your knee, sit up nice and tall, and then lean forward as much as it's comfortable. So that's a real basic one. Hold it for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Then you can do a more advanced version of that same stretch, standing behind your desk, popping your leg up across your desk, stand up nice and tall, lean forward, and you're gonna feel a deep stretch in the back of your hips. This will prevent back pain and keep your hips nice and flexible. The other versions I've been teaching this week are really good for being down on the floor. So same sort of thing applies. You put your heel on your knee, foot flat, and then put your hands behind you to keep yourself up nice and tall through your spine. Shuffle your butt forward and then hold that there. As you're more flexible and want a bit more of a progression, you can shuffle your butt closer to your heel. You can then twist gently and bring this knee in front of your chin and then twist back gently. And this is really good for people that might be suffering knee pain, iliotibial band syndrome. It will help loosen off the glutes and your lower back. Then the final stretch, which is very much the same, is the swan pose, which is across the front and then down onto your elbows. You want to hold that there for 30 seconds to 2 minutes to keep your back nice and loosened up and your hips nice and flexible. So I hope that helps.